In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Epic Games on mobile in a quick and easy step-by-step guide. If you've been trying to get the Epic Games app on your phone and you're not sure where to start, don't worry. I'll walk you through the full process from opening the store to signing in. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to install it properly on your mobile device. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. This is the official app store for Android phones, and it's the safest place to download apps. Once the Play Store opens, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now type Epic Games into the search bar and wait for the results to load. When you see the Epic Games app in the search results, tap on it to open the app page. Before installing, quickly check that you're selecting the official app so you know you're downloading the correct version. This helps avoid confusion and make sure you're getting the right software for your device. Next, tap the Install button. Your phone will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed and device, this may take a few moments. While it installs, just wait for the progress to finish. Once the installation is complete, the Install button will change, and you'll be able to open the app. Now tap Open to launch Epic Games on your mobile device. The app will start up and may take a few seconds to load the first time. After that, you'll be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an Epic Games account, simply enter your login details. If you're new, you can create a free account by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to the Epic Games app on mobile and can continue setting up your account from there. If you ever need to use it again later, just find it in your app list and open it normally. That's all there is to it. So to recap, open the Google Play Store, search for Epic Games, tap Install, open the app, and then sign in or create an account. It's a simple process, but following each step carefully makes sure everything goes smoothly. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.